Goodbye, Nazca. Lunchtime. We're here in Chala, and people are enjoying the beach. Okay, we're leaving Nazca, and we're just waiting for the last couple of guys to get ready. Yesterday we went to do the flyover, the Nazca lines, and today we're gonna do 400 kilometers down the coast to Kamana on the coast before we head back into the mountains tomorrow. So last day in the heat, and then we get back into the mountainous terrain. Goodbye, Nazca, and your incredible heat here at 950, 28 degrees. It's only getting warmer. We will have a beautiful, beautiful ride down the coastline of Peru, southern Peru, and you can see here on the map we will soon be by the ocean, and then it's coastline the whole way down. Here in Jauka, Valle de Jauka. These are all olive trees here. That was an old car. Look at that. Different types of olives. Good little stop to try a few olives. Very salty. I don't usually like olives, but these were actually alright. I could probably learn to eat olives if they taste like this. And they were big. They were big, like huge grapes. So yeah. Well, actually they come in different sizes, and the bigger they are, the higher the kilo price was. Chala, and people are enjoying the beach in this little fishing town. You can see all the fishing boats out there behind me, and we just had a wonderful lunch up there on the Don Secuna's restaurant. Idyllic. Lunchtime. this should be a great episode. With some luck, you can see condors flying right here.